Hello beautiful people, and once again welcome back to my page. And in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to produce a very powerful surface cleaner. You can also use it as a tiles cleaner. I will teach you guys how to produce something very powerful to clean surfaces and tiles. So let's go straight to the production process. Over here are all the chemicals needed for this production. So what we'll be producing is going to be 15 liters. Our production is going to be 15 liters production. So this is the hydrogen peroxide we'll be using. It is 200 grams. Then this is the soda ash, which is 500 grams. Over here is the chlorine we'll be using. We are making use of 500 grams of chlorine. Then this is the caustic soda. We are making use of 250 grams of caustic soda. So that is the measurement of every chemical we'll be using for this production. Now we will dissolve the soda ash with 2 liters of water. Use 2 liters of water to dissolve the soda ash. Next, we'll dissolve the caustic soda using 1 liter of water. Sorry I did not show when I was dissolving it, but that is the caustic soda. It was dissolved with 1 liter of water. You have to be very careful when working with caustic soda. It's a very corrosive chemical, so don't let it splash on your body, and it becomes very hot when water is put in it. So work with it with care. Stir it carefully. Don't allow it to splash on your body because it is very hot. Now we are going to pour the chlorine directly into the remaining water. Don't forget, the water we're using to dissolve the other chemical, we were scooping it from this bucket or this mixing bucket. So the remaining water, we will pour the chlorine into the remaining water, like how I did here. This is 15 liters production. So the next thing is for us to pour the dissolved soda ash. We are pouring the dissolved soda ash into the mixing bucket. Next, we will be adding the dissolved caustic soda. So this production is actually very simple. This is one of the easiest production you could produce at home with zero stress. This is very simple. This is used for cleaning tiles and other surfaces. This makes your tiles to have a very bright and shiny appearance. So we are going to keep this for 24 hours. We'll cover it and keep it for 24 hours. Reason because we want the particles to dissolve. So after 24 hours, this is how our production looks like. The next thing we want to do is to filter it using a cloth. You can just get a white cloth like this to filter it. If you check the description of this video, you will find a link where you can click on it to join our online classes. There we teach our people how to make soap, body cream, the laundry bar soap, the powder detergent, the liquid soap, the organic soap, the bleach, Dettol, hair shampoo, hair conditioner. There's a lot you will learn in our online class. You will know how to make soap like a pro. All this tablet soap you see, you will know how to make it like a pro. So if you have issues reaching me through the link, you can chat me up on WhatsApp. Drop a message on WhatsApp to be added to the training group. It's as simple as that. Just drop a message on WhatsApp to join our training. Now you can see I am filtering the production. I don't want the particles to enter, so I'm filtering it. The last chemical we'll be adding is the hydrogen peroxide. You add it bit by bit because it produces ladder like this. So that it won't ladder out of your container and pour. So you add it bit by bit. It's as simple as this. No stress, no complications. This thing is very easy to produce. Trust me, it's very easy. Just have your chemicals, have them measured in their right proportion, and follow the formulation I've used, and you will produce your own powerful tiles cleaner and surface cleaner at home. You can produce this and start selling to people that will need them. People that have, today we have a lot of houses with tiles, and most of them don't know what to apply on those tiles to make it have a shiny appearance and to look very clean. You can produce this and sell to them. This is another form of business. This is a very lucrative business because there are literally all houses now with tiles. Almost all the houses now produced now or built now have tiles. So this is a very lucrative business. Banks have tiles, hospitals have tiles, schools have tiles. So there's a lot of opportunity learning how to produce your own tiles cleaner at home. So thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share. Then if you are a chemical buyer, you buy chemicals, you can reach Fat Bay Chemical. She based at Ilorin to purchase your own chemical. If you need this chemical to be waybill to your location in different parts of Nigeria, just chat her up on WhatsApp or call her. She can package chemicals and send to your location in Nigeria. But if you are in Ilorin, then you are in a good location to purchase directly from her store. But if you're not in Ilorin, she can waybill chemicals to you. She has original chemicals, original palm kernel oil, original shea butters. So do well by reaching Fat Bay for your original chemicals. Whatsoever chemical you need, she has them. Thank you for watching. Share this video. Please subscribe. Please drop your comment and also like. Share this video so that others can also see these lucrative skills and learn. Thank you. Goodbye and have a lovely day.